I am being anonymous. You cannot see my face. Nope, no one can. Ah! Hold on 1 second. Come on. Ah! Ah, there you go. This guy. No difference. No girlfriend. Very hard to see you. I can't see. No. Nope. No smile. How about no? No. Greetings. I am the Headless Godfather. Join me if you dare. What have you asked of me? Is it some money? Is it money? You want some money? Why some money? No money for you. Because I'm the #1 king around here. I only give you the money. You understand my drift. So, screw you. Big mind, small body. Ooga booga. Yeah. Nice strong hands can crush my little skull. I feel a little funny. I said I feel a little funny.
What do you mean you feel funny?
I don't know. My head. Does my head look straight to you?
Oh, I thought you were being literal.
I think my head. I don't think it's square. I'm a ghost of Christmas past and future. Fear me. I think I proved my point. I think I'm a little fat. Hey, I'm a ball. Go bowling. It kind of cracked my neck. No, no more. I can put stuff on top of my head. Why?